morning, Philippines, and hello, world. My name is Leonie Lintrosio, and I'm back. Yes, guys, I am back. So, na-miss niyo ba ako? If you said yes, please write your comment down below. And for today's video, who's excited? Are you? I am excited to share it with you because this is one of the most requested video, which is house tour. Yes, a house tour from Dubai. And if you're in Dubai, I know you know this location and I know you know this villas for sure. Some of you knows about it and some of you doesn't know about it. So please, let's get into the video and please enjoy watching. Welcome. Okay, so welcome to my humble abode. Char. Hello guys, so welcome to our home. If you don't know, this is not my own. So if you really want to go abroad, it's a privilege for you to have a free accommodation. But if you prefer to stay outside, company will still give you allowance. So let's have a look. Let's go guys, are you excited? So as you can see, this is our living room with the two chandelier. You know, it's quite fancy. And here is our dining table. Quite small, and as you can see, it's not suitable in the fancy interior, but it's fine. Okay, so basically in Dubai it's plain, it's boring. You can't see the fridge, but this is fridge inside. Yeah, and microwave, washing machine, and it's all in. It's almost complete washing machine. So they provide this one here, and as well the stove. Yeah, I like the kitchen, by the way. I really like the design of our kitchen because a combination of black and white and a touch of, you know, purple color, and it's really look fancy and free. Not free. Okay, and right here from our kitchen there is another door going to the garage, a sealed garage, by the way. So why I said sealed, because you need to press the open button to open the garage. But it seems like a stock room right now. And this is my room, guys. There you go. bahay ko, bahay namin sa Dubai. Kasi kung gusto mo pong mag-abroad, yung privilege sa Dubai is provided talaga ng company yung bahay mo. Kahit pipiliin mong magstay sa labas, bibigyan ka pa rin nila ng allowance. So, bali, ito yung pinaprovide nila. Napapulot talaga ako pag
Mag-English ka na lang
And that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my video and I hope you do enjoy watching my video as much as I'm doing it. And let's go. You want to join me for yoga? Yalla yalla. I need to go. See you. Bye.